What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2008 Harley Davidson Fat Bob. Guys, this bike's in pretty nice shape. Just have some goofy stuff on it. This is the walk around. I'm gonna show you exactly what's wrong with this bike. Starting back here, it looks like this was screwed into the rear fender, this bracket for the luggage rack. I have no idea why, but that's kind of a goofy problem. Looks like it's got a scratch right there. Not a big deal. Honestly, if you pop that out, you can get like little Harley plugs that go in there that would just have the Harley Davidson logo on them. They're little chrome plugs. Pretty easy. Seat's in good shape. Look at these Vance & Hines short shots. This is all in pretty good shape. The black's not faded at all, which is kind of nice. Looks like we got a slight scratch on the front of the tank there. Front fender's in good shape. Do some pitting in the black part, in the black paint on the lower fork here, right there. It's got forward controls. What the Fat Bobs do, just in general. It's got these goofy little bags on it. Honestly, I'd take these bags off if I were you, but they're on there. Top of the tank. It's got really nice big fat grips, and they actually have heated. He is heated hookup for it. 13,850 miles. Like I said, guys, 2008 Harley Davidson Fat Bob. It's got some scratches in the rear fender, that the chipping on the lower fork, but this bike's in great shape, guys. It's got heated grips, it's got a little windshield, got some tiny little bags on it, a luggage rack, sissy bar, Vance & Hines pipes. Tire tread is great on the front. The back is a little bit worn. Probably would need a new one come next season. So thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, 2008 Fat Bob. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike. I love the Fat Bobs. I love the way they handle. But make sure to check us out on Instagram at Srkcycles, as well as check out the Bikes and Beards channel. Thanks for watching, guys.